Honor will launch the Honor 300 series on December 2nd at China. The lineup includes 3 models, such as the Honor 300, 300 Pro, and 300 Ultra. Honor 300 Ultra come in Starlight Sand, Chaka Green, Moyan Black color. The leaked images of the Honor 300 Ultra suggest that it will bear a striking resemblance to the Honor 300 Pro. The Honor 300 Ultra has a periscope zoom camera in the center right position. Honor 300 Ultra feature a 1.5K OLED screens that offers a 120Hz refresh rate and 3D ultrasonic fingerprint. Honor 300 Ultra feature the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and offered up to 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. The Honor 300 Ultra come a 50-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel telephoto cameras, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. Honor 300 Ultra power by 5,300 mAh battery with 100W wired and 66W wireless charging. The phone has also been confirmed to feature IP68. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.